Amidst the roar of the rise of global maritime power, the world is now looking east toward a country known for centuries as a land power, but now shifting its paradigm: China. Having dominated the world's economy, manufacturing, and technology, Beijing is now turning its gaze to the vast oceans, the last arena where the United States remains dominant. And at the heart of this profound transformation stands a new symbol, the Fujian Type 004 aircraft carrier, a colossal warship that is not only a testament to industrial prowess, but also a manifestation of undisguised global ambitions. The Type 004 is not simply a technical upgrade from the Liaoning, Shandong, or Fujian. It is an ideological and strategic leap that marks China's transition from a regional power to a truly expeditionary force, a nation capable of projecting military power far beyond its own shores. It is a symbol of a shift in China's maritime civilization, a change that could shift the balance of power in the world. In the history of aircraft carrier construction, only a few nations have successfully conquered the technological challenges of nuclear reactors for warships. Now China appears poised to join an exclusive club previously occupied only by the United States and France. The Type 004 aircraft carrier will be China's first carrier powered entirely by nuclear reactors, marking a paradigm shift in Beijing's maritime strategy. With this system, the ship can operate for 2 decades without refueling, enabling a constant presence in oceans far from the Asian mainland. Nuclear propulsion is not just about distance, it is about strategic freedom. With nearly unlimited autonomy, China is no longer tied to complex fuel logistics networks. Its fleet can sail without support from foreign bases, establishing a military presence in previously unreachable regions, from the Arabian Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Moreover, these nuclear reactors will provide enormous electrical power, enough to operate multi-spectrum radar systems, quantum computing-based AI sensor networks, and the EMALS, electromagnetic aircraft launch system, which require a stable and large energy supply. Thus, this reactor is more than just a power source, it is the heart and soul of the ship. It powers the ship's entire electronics, communications, and defense systems, making the Type 004 more than just a war machine. It is a futuristic combat platform built on a foundation of nuclear energy. The Type 004 aircraft carrier is projected to displace between 110,000 and 120,000 tons, making it the largest aircraft carrier ever built outside the United States. This puts it on par with, and possibly even surpassing, the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford class, long considered the pinnacle of modern carrier design. But this sheer size is more than just a symbol of grandeur, it's a strategic necessity. With a larger flight deck and expanded hangar space, the Type 004 can accommodate up to 100 fighter aircraft and drones. This allows for a higher sortie generation rate, giving it the ability to sustain intensive air operations in a protracted conflict. Furthermore, its large size provides exceptional stability in extreme sea conditions, allowing aircraft to launch in weather that would normally limit conventional aircraft carrier operations. The hull design is also expected to adopt a hydrodynamic stealth shape, reducing drag while suppressing radar signature. A bold move that demonstrates Beijing's integration of stealth principles not only in the air but also at sea. This size and power make the Type 004 a true flagship of Chinese maritime power, a symbol of technological supremacy that will be the centerpiece of any future expeditionary fleet. While the Liaoning and Shandong still rely on traditional ski jump systems, and the Fujian Type 003 was the first to adopt conventional EMALS, The Type 004 represents a refined version of the technology driven directly by nuclear power. EMALS enables the launch of aircraft by electromagnetic force without relying on steam pressure. The result is smoother, more precise, and more efficient launches and the ability to launch full-weight aircraft, including large drones, KJ-600 Airborne Early Warning (AEW) aircraft, and J-35 fighter jets with maximum fuel and weapons. In addition to accelerating operational tempo, EMALS also increases aircraft lifespan and reduces maintenance requirements due to the physical stresses of launch. For military designers, the arrival of EMALS marks a leap toward the sixth-generation aircraft carrier, a warship powered entirely by electromagnetic energy and artificial intelligence. The true power of an aircraft carrier lies in its air wing. The Type 004 is projected to carry approximately 90 to 100 aircraft and helicopters, forming one of the most powerful naval air fleets in the world. This includes the J-35 Gerald, a carrier-based fifth-generation stealth fighter jet, comparable to the US F-35C. This aircraft is designed for long-range operations, stealth penetration, and precision strikes. The KJ-600AU, a carrier-based early warning aircraft that provides advanced battle management and air control capabilities. The J-15D, an electronic warfare version of the J-15, equipped with an advanced jamming system to disrupt enemy radar and communications. The Stealth UCAV, an AI-controlled autonomous combat drone capable of conducting strike missions, aerial refueling, and long-range strategic reconnaissance. With this combination, the Type 004 is no longer just an aircraft carrier, it is a floating airbase with multi-domain capabilities: air, sea, and cyber. Furthermore, the Type 4's flight control system and communications network integration are believed to operate within the PLA's Intelligent Combat Network, where the aircraft carrier serves as a combat data center connected to satellites, destroyers, submarines, and naval drones. While this ambition is remarkable, the road to full operation is not easy. Building the Type 004 requires highly complex reactor material technology, marine cooling systems, and nuclear crew training. Furthermore, supporting infrastructure such as nuclear shipyards and dedicated docks is still under development. However, if China's modern history is any guide, this ambition is not impossible. From the ex-Ukrainian aircraft carrier Liaoning to the Fujian, each generation of its aircraft carriers has shown exponential improvement. This means that the Type 004 is not a question of if, but rather when. When this aircraft carrier is finally launched, the world will witness the birth of a new naval power on par with the United States. The Fujian Type 004 is more than just a military symbol. It represents ambition, confidence, and a profound shift in global dynamics. From the port of Shanghai to the Indian Ocean, from the South China Sea to the Atlantic, the Type 004 will be a visible manifestation of China's maritime rise. And with every wave it breaks, it carries a clear message: the era of sole dominance of the world's oceans is over. A new power has emerged in the East.